All right, so how to season your ground jerky. I've got a couple different pre-made mixes here. You can put anything you want. You want to make a teriyaki, you want to make a honey barbecue. We've got some great recipes for this, but this is a nice pre-made one that we can do. This is made for 15 pounds of meat. We're doing about 2.5, so we're going to only use a small portion of this seasoning. One key step that a lot of people forget is to actually put a cure in your ground venison. The reason we're putting a cure is because we want this meat to not be as dried out as you would have your other venison jerky, because we want it to still have a snap. We still want it to have a bite. Think about taking a bite into like that grocery store beef stick. That's what we're going to try to make here with this venison. Is we're going to make it where it's going to have a nice crisp outside with a nice chewy inside. So cure is going to help us allow us to cook it to a lower temperature and still be safe to eat. Still kill off anything we have in there and make it so we're not getting sick with our venison. There's a bunch of different cures that you can get out there. You can go on Amazon, you can go online and find them. There's a lot of wild game cures. They all do exactly the same thing. They're all going to help break down that meat so that we can cook it to a lower temp at a safer temp. Once that's done, we're going to freeze that until it's about half frozen, and then we're going to make our jerky sticks out of that.